How to fix Microsoft Office installation error 0 to 1012 in Windows. Fix 1. Run the Office installer as an administrator. This tool can automatically diagnose and resolve common issues with Microsoft Office installations. Select Office and Office Apps and click Next. Next, choose I have Office 365 subscription, but I'm having trouble installing it option and click Next. Click Yes to begin a scan. Follow instructions after the scan is finished. Fix 3. Use Offline Installer. Offline Installer might be the trick that could help you fix the Microsoft Office installation error 0 to 1012.